Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about AMP coin price prediction and AMP coin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AMP coin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward, but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed, in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about AMP coin. Finally, a proof of work ban is off the table in Europe. The lead politician responsible for the MiCA report in the EU Parliament has announced that a proof of work ban is now officially off the table. The MiCA report has been allowed through a crucial step in the European parliamentary system. The report's Commission and Council did not challenge Stefan Berger's mandate, and therefore the report continues without a proof of work ban. Further, the current version of the report includes a proposal to connect MiCA to the EU taxonomy for sustainable finance. Suppose this is accepted, which Berger is optimistic about, it is doubtful we will see any POW bans in Europe. In that case, crypto could be officially recognized as an environmentally unsustainable economic activity, according to Patrick Hansen of Unstop Pablodefi. The addition may lead to potential issues for those wishing to invest in crypto mining, but would not necessarily ban the technology outright. The taxonomy is a transparency tool based on a classification system, translating the EU's climate and environmental objectives into criteria for specific economic activities for private investment purposes. It is not a mandatory list of activities. Therefore, if the European Parliament adds crypto mining to the taxonomy, we will unlikely see exchanges forced to delist POW coins like Bitcoin. Instead, there may be pressure for investors in crypto mining to focus on sustainable sources of energy to offset the new classification. It seems like a massive win for all involved as, of course, mining should use the cleanest forms of energy available. For example, no one wants companies to mine Bitcoin from dirty coal power plants. However, the efficient and direct transfer of energy to money through crypto mining is something I personally believe is much more sustainable than the current financial system. Second news today: about 70 brands do their best to showcase style in Decentraland. Decentraland kicked off Metaverse Fashion Week. The combination of high-end designers and wearables vendors flaunting non-fungible token (NFT) collections in the blockchain-based virtual world. Brands such as Estée Lauder, Tommy Hilfiger, Dolce & Gabbana and Forever 21 are all participating in the virtual fashion event. Many spent weeks laying claim to metaverse-ready trademarks in what now appears to have been a preemptive brand protection strategy ahead of their NFT premiere. With the rise of digital goods and metaverse shopping experiences, Decentraland's Fashion Week seeks to provide a space for people to express themselves and expand the understanding of their own self through wearables on their avatars, said Sam Hamilton, Decentraland's creative director. "I see people being much more outrageous in the metaverse," Hamilton told CoinDesk in a phone interview. "People will see a really great use case for NFTs as a result of the event." Fashion shows, galleries and brand-hosted panels will pop up across a newly developed corner of Decentraland called Fashion District through March 27. Virtual real estate company Metaverse Group purchased the 6,000 square foot plot last November for a record $2.4 million. How to start in Decentraland: by visiting the website and connecting an Ethereum wallet, or simply playing as a guest, anyone can experience Metaverse Fashion Week. The site provides coordinates to the different corners of the neighborhood where users can experience the virtual event. There are galleries and shows, as well as places for purchasing digital wearables. Read more. Decentraland, luxury marketplace UNXT to host Metaverse Fashion Week. NFT natives are jumping in too, Hamilton said. NFT Marketplace Rarible will host a pop-up shop called Rarible Street. Boson Protocol, which purchased a plot of land last June to create a metaverse shopping mall, has built a boulevard of stores for brands to sell their wearables. Let's take a look at the near future of AMP coin, but before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025, or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022: the value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. AMP rate prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP the average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.